Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na to ay magre-review tayo for engineering board exam mathematics. So kung gusto niyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching.
Okay, so this time ay magre-review ulit tayo for engineering board exam mathematics, which is yung calculator techniques part 3. So meron na akong video for calculator techniques part 1 and 2, so kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood ay ililink ko na lang. Okay, so magsasolve ulit tayo ng problem sa video na to. So let's start with question number 1. Solve the simultaneous linear equations 5x plus 2y equals 29, 7x minus 2y equals 19. Okay, so pwede nating masolve itong linear equations using algebra. So, pwedeng graphically, by elimination method, or substitution method. Pero gamit na lang tayo ng calcu para masolve natin to. Okay? Okay, sa calculator nyo, pupunta kayo sa mode 5 and then 1. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, meron kayong dalawang rows tapos tatlong columns. Yung A, B, C, itong A, siya numerical coefficient ng X para dun sa equation 1, yung B, numerical coefficient ng Y para sa equation 1, at yung C, yung constant sa other side ng equation, dun sa right side. Okay, so input natin yung numerical coefficients ng given dun sa first equation. So dito tayo sa row 1. So diba 5x plus 2y equals 29 yon? So we have 5 para sa X equal 2 para sa Y, and then yung constant na naka-equate sa right side is 29. So, 29. Then doon naman sa equation 2, yung 7x minus 2y equals 19. So, we have 7 sa x, and then negative 2 sa y, and then yung constant sa right side which is 19. Okay? And then after that, press equal sign. So, isosolve nyo ngayon yung value ng x which is 4, and then equal sign ulit, isosolve nyo yung value ng y which is 9 over 2. So, therefore, the answer is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9 over 2. Okay? So, therefore, the answer is letter A. Okay? Next, we have given the equation 4 raised to x plus y equals 64 and 3 raised to 5x minus y equals 27. Okay, so, base dito sa exponential equation, bubuo tayo ng simultaneous equation. So, dito muna tayo sa first equation. So, para magkaroon tayo ng equation dito, itong left side na may base 4, dapat itong right side maging kapareho niya yung base na 4. So, transform natin itong 64 into exponential form with base 4. Ano yun? 4 cube, right? So, since pareho na sila ng base na 4, pwede na nating i-equate yung kanilang exponents. So, therefore, we have x plus y is equal to 3. Equation 1. And then dito rin, dapat itong 27 maging base 3 din. So, transform natin itong 27 into exponential form with base 3. Ano yon? 3 cube, right? Since pareho na sila ng base, pwede na nating i-equate yung exponents nila. So, we have 5x minus y is equal to 3. Equation 2. So, therefore, nakabuo na tayo ng simultaneous equations in x and y. So, solve na natin to using calculator. Okay? Okay, so, dun ulit tayo sa mode 5, 1. Okay, input ulit natin yung bawat numerical coefficients ng x and y, pati ng constant ng bawat equation. So, dun muna tayo sa equation 1. We have x plus y equals 3, right? So, input nyo sa calcu, 1 sa x, 1 sa y, and then sa constant, 3. Okay? Dun naman sa equation 2, we have 5x minus y equals 3. So, we have 5 sa x, negative 1, sa y, and then positive 3 din sa constant. And then press equal sign para masolve si x at y. So therefore, x is equal to 1, and then press equal sign, y is equal to 2. Okay? So since nang hinahanap lang sa problem ay yung y, therefore the answer is B, which is 2. Okay? Next, if the polynomial ax cubed plus bx squared plus 8x plus 7 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 63. If it is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is negative 62. Find the value of a. Okay, so, remainder theorem. So, ito yung given f of x natin, which is ax cubed plus bx squared plus 8x plus 7. So, para mahanap natin yung equation, evaluate natin itong function dun sa given binomial na dalawa, yung x minus 2 tsaka x plus 3. So, sa x minus 2, we have, equate natin sa 0, equal yung x sa 2. So, therefore, papalitan natin yung value ng x ng 2. So, evaluate natin yung f sa 2. We have a times 2 cube plus b times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 plus 7. This time, equal siya doon sa given na 63. So, pag sinimplify natin to, we have 8a plus 4b plus 16 plus 7 is equal to 63, or 8a plus 4b is equal to 63 minus 16 minus 7 transpose. So we have 8a plus 4b is equal to 63 minus 16 minus 7, 40. So equation 1. Then naman sa equation 2, this time x plus 3 naman. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then solve for x, we have x is equal to negative 3. So evaluate natin yung function sa negative 3. So we have a times negative 3 cube plus b times negative 3 squared plus 8 times negative 3 plus 7. This time, equal dapat siya saan? Sa negative 62. Okay, so we have negative 27a plus 9b minus 24 plus 7 equals negative 62. So we have negative 27a plus 9b is equal to negative 62 transpose plus 24 minus 7. So we have negative 27a plus 9b is equal to negative 62 plus 24 minus 7, negative 45. So equation 2. So solve natin itong systems of equation in terms of a at b. Okay? Okay, dun ulit tayo sa mode 5.1. And then, input natin yung numerical coefficient saka constant ng dalawang equation. Sa equation 1, we have 8a plus 4b equals 40. So, assume natin na yung x ay a tapos b ay y. So, therefore, we have for a, 8, for b, 4, and then for the constant, 40. And then sa equation 2, we have negative 27a plus 9b equals negative 45. So, therefore, for a, we have negative 27. And then for b, we have 9. And then for constant, negative 45. Okay? And then, press equal sign para masolve si a at b or x and y correspondingly. So, we have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay? So, since yung hinahanap natin is a, find the value of a, we have the answer of letter A, which is 3. Okay? Next, we have, given the equations, x squared minus y squared equals 16, and 2x squared plus 5y squared equals 95, find x. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, hindi tayo linear equation kasi may exponent na to yung x at y. Pero, pwede nating let's say, x is equal to x squared, tapos y is equal to y squared. So, originally, ito dapat yung magiging equation natin. Pag nasolve natin itong x at y in linear form, saka natin isa-substitute dito sa equation na to. Okay? So, parang magiging ano to, x minus y is equal to 16, and then 2x plus 5y is equal to 95 lang. Okay, so gamit tayong calculator para masolve to. Okay, doon ulit tayo sa mode 5.1. We have, for the first equation, x minus y equals 16, right? So, we have 1 equals negative 1 equals 16. Okay, then sa equation 2, we have 2x plus 5y equals 95, right? So, we have 2 equals 5 equals 95. And then, press equal sign to solve for x at y. So, we have x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 9. Okay? So, since nasolve natin na x ay 25, tapos yung y ay 9, ito yung magiging equation natin. X squared is equal to 25 and y squared is equal to 9. Then square root both sides, we have x is equal to square root of 25 is plus minus 5 and y is square root of 9, which is plus minus 3. So therefore, the answer is binapahanap ay x. So plus minus 5. So the answer is letter B. Okay? Next we have soybean meal is 16% protein while corn meal is 9% protein. How many pounds of wheat should be mixed together to get a 350-pound mixture that is 12% protein? Okay, so application to ng simultaneous equations into variables. So let x be the amount of soybean. Tapos let y be the amount of corn meal. Okay, so sabi yung soybean daw is 16% protein. So multiply natin yung percentage ng protein dun sa amount niya, we have 0.16x, and then i-combine natin, so plus doon naman sa cornmeal with amount y, tapos yung percentage ng protein is 9%. So we have 9% times y or 0.09y equals, dapat daw yung resulting mixture is 350 pounds tapos 12% protein. So we have 12% or 0.12 times 350. Okay? So multiply na lang natin to both sides by 100. So magiging 16x plus 9y is equal to 12 times 350 is 4,200. Equation 1. And then yung equation 2, add lang natin yung total amount nung x sa y pag kinumbine. Diba dapat 350? So, x plus y is equal to 350. Equation 2. So, solve natin tong systems of equation in x at y using calculator. Okay? Okay, so, dun ulit tayo sa mode 5.1. And then, input natin yung numerical coefficients saka constant ng equations 1 at 2. Yung equation 1 is 16x plus 9y equals 4,200, right? So, we have 16, and then 9, and then 4,200. Dun sa equation 2, we have x plus y is equal to 350. So, input natin 1, 1, and then 350. And then press equal sign para masolve si x at y. So, x is equal to 150, and y is equal to 200. Okay? So, therefore, we have for the soybean, 150, and for the cornmeal, 200. So, the answer is letter A. Okay? Next, we have solve the simultaneous linear equation x plus y minus z equals 4, x minus 2y plus 3z equals negative 6, and 2x plus 3y plus z equals 7. Okay, so this time, 3 equations in 3 unknowns naman tayo. So, pwede pa rin nating magamit dito yung calculator, which is ibang mode naman. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so, punta naman tayo sa mode 5 pa rin, pero this time, dun tayo sa number 2. Okay, so meron tayong tatlong rows, meaning meron tayong tatlong equations. So meron din tayong A, B, tsaka C. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa equation 1. Input natin yung numerical coefficient saka yung constant. So for 1, we have x plus y minus z equals 4, right? So we have 1, and then 1, and then negative 1, and then yung constant 4. Okay, dun sa equation 2, we have x minus 2y plus 3z equals negative 6, right? So, input natin, 1, negative 2, positive 3, and then negative 6. Okay, last for equation 3, we have 2x plus 3y plus z equals 7. So, input natin, 2, 3, 1, and then constant, 7. Okay, and then press equal sign para masolve si x, y, at z. So, therefore, x is equal to 1, equal sign, y is equal to 2, and equal sign, z is equal to negative 1. Okay? So, therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to negative 1. So, the answer is letter A. Okay? So, putulin ko muna uli yung video ko for this calculator technique part 3. So, abangan nyo lang uli yung next video ko for calculator techniques part 4. Okay, so that's it for this video. So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.